Hi, I'm Dr. Peter Achuda, and I'll explain a little about the SuperFast Cache WordPress plugin. By itself, this plugin can speed up your web pages by about 25 to 35%. But when you run it with the Bedbot Exterminator, you will see a performance improvement of about 100% to 300%. This is because there is an accelerator in the Bedbot Exterminator that really pushes the performance of the SuperFast Cache plugin. Let me show you how to install and set up the SuperFast Cache WordPress plugin. If you have the previous version of the SuperFast Cache, previously it was called DPA PHP Cache, please deactivate it and delete it before installing the latest version of SuperFast Cache. Log into your website control panel, cPanel, come down and check for File Manager. This is to upload the SuperFast Cache plugin. In my case, my website, WordPress website, is installed here. You see, you come to the subdirectory that shows WP admin, WP content, and WP includes. Click on WP content and then to plugins. There are no plugins at the moment, so let's upload the SuperFast Cache zip file into this directory. Upload, browse SuperFast Cache. In your case, the file name may be slightly different, may not have the date. Okay, it's uploaded. Let's go back to the file manager and reload. Okay, you can see the SuperFast Cache zip file has been uploaded. Now let's extract this. Extract. Reload again. You'll see the SuperFast Cache subdirectory created. Once this is done, let's go back to the WordPress control panel. Log into your WordPress control panel, come down to plugins, install plugins, and there you will see the SuperFast Cache plugin ready to be activated. Activate the plugin. Once it's activated, you come down to settings, you will see SuperFast Cache plugin. Click on it. Now you can set up the SuperFast Cache plugin. If you are running the Bedbot Exterminator, copy and paste this path name into the Bedbot Exterminator setup menu option. The SuperFast Cache will not cache the WordPress pages. This is to make it simpler to use, especially if you're non-technical and know nothing about computers. It only caches your posts. Now if you have products like WooCommerce and all that, don't worry, because they will not be cached. If you have posts, let's say under different categories, right, or under this category shop or product that you don't want cached, you can enter it here. A new category or keyword, let's say item A, anything with any URL with item A will not be cached if you enter item here. Okay, every line is a new category or keyword, and then click submit. But most of you won't use this feature. Now you may want to have all your pages under one caching period. Let's say every 4 weeks it updates and refreshes the cache. But you may have some pages that you want to update every 10 minutes or every day, and some pages that you need to be updated maybe once in 4 weeks or once in 90 days. So this is the setting option. you can change this value. Let's say 300. If it's 300, then make sure you put the comment 5 minutes so that you know what it's about. This is 4 weeks. 4 weeks, this is seconds. Now total number of seconds in 4 weeks. That is 4 weeks times 7 days times 24 hours times 3600 seconds gives you 2.4,192,000 seconds. Once you change this setting, click on change cache period, so your options change. These options are used down here: 10 minutes, half an hour, 2 days, 1 week, 4 weeks, 90 days, for all the caches, for all the posts. And further down here you can set for individual post. Now the next section is, if you have the BadBot accelerator installed, then you can activate the accelerator. If you are not using the BadBot exterminator, then it doesn't do anything. You cannot have an accelerator to run. You can stop and start the caching system. Now it will be activated when I click submit, or you can stop it and click submit. Okay. Your comments are also can be cached. This is clear all comment caches. This is enable comments to be cached or disable them, and how long the cache will last. 7 days. That means every 7 days it will go through all the comments and build a new cache for it. So if anyone types a comment into your WordPress site, it won't show up until after 7 days. This is for posts. All your posts, you can clear all posts. That means you'll delete all the cache files, or you can enable or disable all the caching of system, and you can change all of them. If you have 1,000 posts, one line will reset all the pages to this whatever setting you put here. If you want to set the caching period for individual posts to different periods, then come down here. It shows you how many the number of posts you have and the name of the post. So come down here and then change. Okay, let's say this one is half an hour, this one is 1 hour, this one is 1 week. So you can change the caching period for individual posts, and you can clear or refresh them or disable caching for the individual post, right? And then click on change caching and they will be updated. Okay, I've just upgraded the SuperFast cache to version 1.12, and let's go down to where I want to continue. Okay, now sometimes, especially if you're just beginning to use the SuperFast cache, you'll want to display a message that to show that the SuperFast cache is caching your pages and displaying the cached pages. So what you can do is, now you can display a message. Click yes if you want to display a message, no if you don't want to display a message. So you can put cached at this is an example message. You can type in anything else, and then click display date, right? Or you don't want to display date, you just want to display this message. Okay, normally I will display the date and time. This is your local date and time, provided you have set your offset to for your local date and time. I'm in Malaysia, so our offset is 8 hours plus GMT. Let's say you're in California, you will be minus 3 hours offset from GMT. So click yes, save settings. This is for the free version. Okay, so that's it. Now when you display the pages, you will see at the bottom of your page cached at and your local time. So let's have a look at that. This is my website. Okay, let's go and look at the bottom of the page. You can see cached 2015 July 6 Monday at 14:56. So that's a message that will appear indicating